Hello, friends, this is Pallavi, and today I'm here to give you comfort. I'm here to give you fire. I'm here to give you truth. And the truth is simple: you don't manifest what you want, you manifest what you believe. Dreams are not for the lucky, they are for the believers. Every success story in history starts with one ingredient: not money, not talent, not connections. That is belief. Do you think Thomas Edison created the light bulb just by wishing? No, he believed even after failing 10,000 times. Do you think Wright brothers invented flight by accident? No, they believed in a vision everyone else called impossible. Do you think a seed becomes a tree by chance? No, it's programmed to believe in its growth, and earth receives that command. But here's the problem with most people: they say they want success, they say they want wealth, they say they want happiness, but deep inside they don't believe it's possible for them. And when you don't believe, the universe don't receive, because manifestation is not magic, it's alignment of your belief, your action, your vision, and your persistence. So ask yourself right now: are you just wishing, or are you believing? Are you daydreaming, or are you programming your reality? The truth is this: if you believe with all your heart, you receive everything your soul is hungry for. But if you doubt, if you hesitate, if you second guess yourself, you are cutting the roots of your own destiny. Understand this: the richest people in the world, the greatest athletes, the most powerful leaders, they all had one common weapon: they believed in themselves when nobody else did. When the world laughed, they believed. When the critics doubted, they believed. When the results delayed, they still believed. And because they believed long enough, strong enough, loud enough, the universe had no choice but to deliver. So here's my message to you: don't just wish, don't just pray, don't just hope. Step into the battlefield of life with full conviction. Say it with me: I believe, I believe, I believe. And when you believe with every breath, when you believe with every heartbeat, when you believe with every sleepless night, then my friend, you will receive. Dear friends, let me share you 5 steps to manifest. Step 1: decide what you want. Not maybe, not someday. Decide the final thing. Step 2: believe it's already yours. See it, feel it, live it in your mind. The universe doesn't respond to maybe, it responds to certainty. Step 3: act every single day. Belief without action is fantasy. Belief plus action is manifestation. Step 4: persist when it gets hard, because belief is tested in the fire of delay. Hold on, push through, don't let go. Step 5: receive. Open your hands, open your heart. When the opportunity comes, grab it with everything you have got: your dream car, your dream home, your dream career, your dream life. It's already out there waiting for you. But it won't move until you do. It won't come until you believe. It won't manifest until your energy tells the universe: I'm ready, I'm worthy, I will receive. So from today, stop doubting, stop waiting, stop questioning whether you are capable, because you are. You always were. You just need to believe it before you see it. Believe and you shall receive. Manifest and you shall achieve. Dream and you shall live it. This is not poetry. This is not fantasy. This is law. The law of faith. The law of energy. The law of manifestation. So stand tall. Speak loud. Live bold. Because your dreams are not in the future. They are waiting right here, right now, to be unlocked. By your belief, remember this forever. Manifest your dreams. Believe, or you will never receive. If you walk with doubt, your dreams will vanish. But if you walk with fire, your dream will rise. So calm these words into your soul. Believe, and the mountains will move. Believe, and storms will serve you. Believe, and the universe will bend to your will. Because the one who believes is the one who receives. This is not the end of my speech. This is the beginning of your destiny. So go out there, stand tall, burn bright, and manifest the life you were born to live. Not tomorrow, not someday, right now.